Assalamu alaikum. I'm writer Sajawal Saleem Paracha. Last time I discussed the summary of the poem Try Again. Today my conversation is all about first aid. As you people know, we are living in this world and all the time we are facing different conditions, we are facing different situations, we are facing different circumstances. Sometimes the situations are in our favor and sometimes the condition is entirely against us. Sometimes we are facing different diseases. For example, sometimes we are suffering from fever, we get hurt, we get injured, we get at that time we definitely need someone in our life who can take care of us, can help us, or who can provide us with an immediate help. So that immediate help is known as first aid. And in this way, any lay person can be trained. To deal with minor cuts and scratches at home builds confidence in an individual. It raises your spirit. It gives you confidence to tackle or to deal with an unconscious or sudden situation. There are following steps in this case. The first step is stop the bleeding. Second is clean the wound. Third one is apply an antibiotic. Fourth one is cover the wound. And the fifth one is change the dressing. Now the first one is stop the bleeding. In this case, the bleeding of minor cuts and scratches stops its own. But if the bleeding is not stopping, apply gentle pressure over the wound and apply pressure for 20 to 30 seconds. Alleviate the wound if possible. And if the bleeding has stopped, then go to the next step. But please do not check again and again if the bleeding has stopped or not. In this way, you may damage the wound. Second step is clean the wound. In this step, you are just asked to clean the wound with a clean cloth or wash the wound. But do not use soap, or if you want to use soap to remove bacteria, then use soap with a great care. Because the usage of soap may irritate you. And even after washing the wound and cleaning the wound, if you find some rashes or bacteria, consult your doctor in this case.